Hot mic. Yeah! Let's do it! Yeah! Sales Factory, let's go. Welcome! Guys, it's Coach Carroll. Welcome back to the Sales Factory. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed that last season. Woo-hoo! Listen, I've been working on some big stuff for you guys. I had a lot of life changes. Woo! Guys, welcome to the Sales Factory. Coach Carroll, I'm so happy you're here. Listen, there's so much I got to catch you up on, but I just wanted to drop this real quick, just like in between episode, so I could talk to you guys and just let you know, like, things have changed for me. Hopefully you're following me on all the social channels, hashtag Coach Carroll. I moved, I got married, I had a baby. I'm going to pack all of that in these upcoming episodes. Listen, it has been absolutely crazy. Someone the other day I was interviewing for the upcoming episodes, he said, man, you're just a natural at this. I'm like, no, man, I've been doing it a long time. If you guys don't know this, if you're just now listening in or tuning in and finding this episode, the Sales Factory has been a running podcast since 2015, okay? We've been doing this thing, okay? It's been around for a minute. This thing used to be a live radio show, but now I'm coming to you from my brand new studio out in my beautiful brand new ranch with my family. I'm excited for you guys to be here with me. Listen, I got a lot of information. I got some big swingers coming through. We got people from like all walks of life, all kinds of industries. If you're tuned in, if you're in the sales side of the game, I got heavy hitters coming through, dropping their knowledge on how they were making big checks. I'm talking big checks, okay? Listen, you're tuned into the Sales Factory, guys. I want you to get your headsets ready. I want you to get your notepads out if you're safely driving. Maybe you in a Tesla, you're like, I got my notes, coach. It's on autopilot. Guys, I'm so excited for these new episodes coming. Stick with me. Make sure you smash that review button. It helps us find more people in the world. Because you know we changing it. One life at a time, baby. Hustle, it's worth it. Coach Carroll, I'll see you in a future episode. Let's go. Smash subscribe.